Welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where my goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 upper body exercises that you can do that's going to help you tone, strengthen your upper body, and give you that nice shoulder look, nice arms that we all are looking for. But before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration, of course, click the link in the description section. Let me help you stay motivated, keep you inspired. It's a free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. Right now, let's work on these arms, ladies. Let's get it. All right, ladies, so before we get started, of course, we got to warm up. So the first warm-up exercise, we're going to reach up, touch our knees, toes. All right, we're going to do this 8 times, okay? Make sure when you're going down, keeping your back straight, head forward. All right, and let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, next exercise, we're gonna do jumping jacks. If you can't do the regular way, you can just do it this way. You'll get the same effect. All right, ready? We have 8. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, next exercise, we have standing alternating crunches. All right, each side, bringing your knee to your elbow. All right, we have this 8 times. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, next exercise, we're gonna go down slowly. All right, we're gonna do 8 push-ups. When you're going down, keep your back straight, head forward. You're gonna go down and up. Down and up. If you can do regular push-ups, you can get off your knees, down, up. All right? We have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. Good job. All right? Take a break, get some water. You got this 2 more rounds. I'll see you in a minute. All right, ladies, so the first exercise we're gonna do is single arm press. All right, I'm using pounds, but whatever you have at home. If you don't have any weights at home, you can just do it without any weights. You're gonna get the same effect, okay? All right, so you're gonna stand forward. All right, and I'm gonna bring my opposite hand out just to keep nice balance. And I'm just gonna press up, back down, up, and down. We have this 8 times each side. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. Good job. All right, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise, I'm gonna take my weight. All right, and I'm just gonna tap each side of my shoulder, bringing my arm straight up and down. All right, we have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we're halfway. 5, 6, 7, last one. 8, good job. Take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, so the next exercise, all right, so I'm gonna take the weight and I'm gonna just bring it right below my butt area and just bring my arm up and back down. All right, we have this 8 times each side, okay? Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we're halfway. 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, we're gonna switch right over to the next side. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, for the next exercise, I'm gonna hold the dumbbell right in front of me and I'm just gonna bring my arms straight up, keeping my arms straight, back straight, head high, back down, up and down. All right, we have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, good job. Go ahead, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back, ladies. So the next exercise, we're gonna lean forward just a little bit, and we're gonna do a single arm fly. All right, bringing the arm back down to the center, out, back down to the center. Ready? We have this 8 times, and I'll just hold my arm off to the side, or you can have the arm going across your chest like this, whatever's comfortable for you. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we halfway, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, go ahead and switch. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, so this one, we're gonna do both arms at the same time. I'm gonna bend forward, keeping your back straight. Bring both arms out, back down to the center. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, go ahead, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back with the last 2 exercises. All right, ladies, so the last 2, we're gonna lean forward and we're gonna do single arm row. All right, I'm gonna keep my opposite arm straight. All right, bringing the elbows up, bring it back down to the middle, okay? We have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Switch arms. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, for this set, we're gonna do both arms at the same time. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. And again, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration, just click the link in the description section below and I'll be here to motivate you. Till then, I'll see you ladies on the next video.